at 6, a woman calls KMBC9 investigates for help, hoping for change at a busy Kansas City, Missouri intersection. Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Ketz.
And I'm Laura Moritz. We're talking about Independence Boulevard and Van Brunt in Kansas City's historic Northeast. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener spoke with her about her concerns.
Entering an intersection with construction.
You don't expect it, and there it is.
Valerie Lewis says a car almost T-boned her Saturday night. Lewis has lived near Independence Avenue since the 1980s. She's not used to traffic going north on Van Brunt.
They kept going, and I was so nervous and shaky because I didn't even realize traffic was going the wrong direction.
Construction workers are currently diverting traffic. So Lewis called the city and KMBC9 investigates to make sure those markings are much more clear.
I contacted you because I almost lost my life Saturday coming home from work, and it's the wrong way, and I don't know why.
A city spokeswoman says they addressed Lewis's concerns within 24 hours, saying permanent signs and pavement markings are getting installed. All part of slowing down traffic, making pedestrians and drivers safer. Also saying the upgrades will cut down on confusion for everyone.
Do you feel like that slows traffic down?
Absolutely.
Kenneth E. appreciates the median upgrades to make it safer to walk.
Independence Avenue. Walk sign is on to cross.
It's very safe.
I understand pedestrians' safety.
Lewis said she can appreciate the upgrades too, but says in the meantime, it's been hard to get through.
And if it's just me, then it's just me. But I'm speaking up because I almost lost my life.
In Kansas City, Matt Fleener, KMBC9 News.
The city says it's worked to give fire trucks more room to turn at that intersection, with the station being so close by.